So I also got a lot of kitchen stuff. I will put it in one by one, honestly. So I got this guy for me doing the electricity work, my electrician again. So this dude is helping me to assemble another electrician. 我知道了，你先吃饭吧，你先吃饭。So
你梯子来没有？
哈，梯子还没有来。哎，谁？是不是有人叫我啊？你好，这是啥？梯子好，等一下，你等我一下啊，你等我一下，我给你个红包，Mr. 我给你红包，你不要走。哎呀，麻烦你了，真是。哎呀，麻烦你了。昨天我不是没到嘛，是否记得？我昨天谢谢你，谢谢。Oh my ladder, why? My ladder, so that the electrician can help me to put another wires, I don't know, to the bathroom. And all the kitchenware, I have all the kitchenware in it. This is like a cabinet for all the bowls and stuff. So you see, they're all stainless steel, but they got all the protective sticker on the outside that I need to peel off. I was peeling off the stickers. Of course, this place is huge, and my old bed has been like 3 years. I put on new sheet and stuff, but I don't think that bed is it's time to change a new one. I don't think that bed is suitable for the new house. So I got another one from IKEA, and they sent a worker to help me to put up the, what was that? Oh, the bed. And also some bathroom stuff. He already finished it. So this is my new bed. It's a lot of work if I have to build it myself. So at the bottom there are drawers, because I still have budget, so I want to save as much money as possible so that I could use it in something else. And so he is going to, it's done. He also installed the mirror for me. Awesome. I also got this from IKEA, and I can put maybe some body face wash or something there. And that's the shower, the heater for showering. I just need to assemble the bathroom door, because right now I got somebody to measure it this morning, but still I haven't got a price code. And all this aluminum here is for my hanger. I got it cheap, so this guy is also helping me to build the hanger. And what am I waiting for? Oh yeah, because the electricity over here, they lack of some wires, like ground wires, fire, whatever. So the electrician need to put in the rewire all the wires in my bathroom so that I don't get electrocuted accidentally. What else is coming today? I don't remember, because there are tons and tons of stuff. But I like this new place, which is it's big and I have a lot of storage room, and I just need to save a little bit from here and from there to make up for the money that I spend in this new place.